Get ready for the future of two-wheeler security. Introducing Cranns RB6 Smart Lock, the ultimate smart lock designed to keep your two-wheelers safe and sound. Versatile compatibility. It can work with your scooter, motorcycle, Vespa, e-bike, and bicycle. Cranns RB6 is easy to use and tough on security. Crafted with precision from hardened stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to damage. Built to last. Durable and ensuring years of security for your protection. Guarding with vigilance. Built-in alarm system for added protection, so no one can touch your two-wheelers. High sensitivity, zero tolerance. Motion detection at its finest. User-friendly and app-friendly. Mobile and Bluetooth, one app and one touch for alarm volume, sensitivity, timing, and alarm on-off. Unparalleled on the market. The best bike lock for your peace of mind. Lock up with confidence. Choose RB6 for unparalleled two-wheeler security. Back it now on Kickstarter.